Good morning, gents. Welcome back into a new video. Same place as before. To start on with, I'm going to use the yellow pike shad, 22 centimeters, and we are about to have the first cast. Fish, fish. Nice. I just caught another one. This day is so fun, man. It's not a big one. Fish on, and it's in the net. Yellow pike shad doing the business. Here we go. Nice colors on it. It's not big, but damn, I'm so happy. So many pike caught just in about an hour. Nice one. Let me check the hooks out. Here we go. Listen, pike, we're gonna put it back in the water quickly. We wait for the big ones. Yes! Okay, so it looks like the yellow pike shad in 23 centimeters is doing a great job. But what I will do now, I will just change to a bigger lure, 30 centimeters yellow pike shad. I never caught a fish on it, and today I will give it a go. This is the lure, super big yellow pike shad, and we'll see if we can land a fish with it. There's a pike chasing it. Still there, still there, still there. He's gonna take it, he's gonna take it. He's gonna take it. He's gonna take it. Ah, this is a crazy one. This is a crazy pike. This is a crazy pike. Whoa, looks like the pike are chasing this one. Fish on. Fish on. Right on a 30 centimeter yellow pike shad. Ooh. Must be a big one. It went for the 30 centimeters. Is that a big? Nice one. Here we go, 30 centimeters. We're gonna just put it back in the water. Yeah, let's downsize. We're gonna use a different lure now. Right, so I got the yellow swim shad now. Also, this is a good lure for pike fishing. And right now I will show something cool. That's gonna be my first cast, and I will land the fish on it. This is the lure that I never leave home without it. because of the way it swims, the way it looks also. Very realistic, and I'm telling you, that's my first cast, and that's gonna be a fish on it. Fish chasing. Yeah. Yes. Man, this is crazy. That's absolutely crazy. I just saw it coming and I was like fishing for muskie. Nice one. Here we go. It starts to get bigger and bigger, is it? Yellow swim shot, 16 centimeters. And I'm gonna put it back in the water. Here we go. This is a pike. Okay, I just hopped into a tweener. Got a with a soak with 20 grams from Quantum. And we'll see how the pike will react to this. Fish! Wow. Oh, that was a crazy take, man. I just saw the fish coming and taking the lure. That was so cool. Oh yeah, they look like they love the tweener. First cast, that was nice. Has to be a bigger one here. Fish. Yeah. Right on the tweener. I knew he's gonna do the job. Oh, he's pulling out. He's pulling out. That's a decent fish, man. Decent fish. Here we go. Small fish. Took the tweener, which is quite a big lure. We're gonna put it back in the water. Ah, the feeling of it was like a big fish. I thought it's a quite decent fish. Whew. Right, so I'm gonna change into a natural color. I'm guessing I'm gonna use the yellow pike shad. Natural color, roach pattern actually. The water is very clear, and I know in the past it was doing a good job for me, this lure. And now I have that feeling that we're gonna catch a nice one. See how that will go. I will do another drift. I will go back where I start, and I will let the boat drift him back to this corner. So, let me rig it up. That's it. We're good to go. Yellow pike shad, 23 centimeters, is about to catch a fish. Here we go. First cast. First cast. Fish? Yes. I knew it. It's gonna work. Here we go. Fiske. Yellow pike shad. I knew he's gonna do the business. This lure is insane. Is very realistic, and is always producing a fish. And guess what? It released himself. Thank you for that. Less job for me. Let's say that I let the lure out just to don't get hurt. There we go. Yellow pike shad, roach pattern. here we've got a decent fish. Okay, let's get it on the camera. This is a nice fish. Decent one. Beautiful color. So this pike here, you didn't see any lure in the last 7 months. The pike now should be active and do a nice job for me. Nice. Okay, let's quick release it. Here we go. Bye bye. Noise. Yeah. I knew the pike shot will do the business today. And yeah, let's get some more. Fish, yeah. Fish on. One more time. Oh, I lost the count. I think it's the fourth fish I caught today. Whoa. Take it easy. Is off. That's happening when you fish on your own and nobody is there to net the fish. That was a decent fish though. That was a decent fish, man. No problem. We're gonna keep on casting. This is fishing. Here we go. Another cast. The sun starts to come out from the clouds. It should be just the right time to catch one big one. Another one. One by one, bro. This is not that big, but yeah, it's gonna come out. One. I should have the net ready. Somebody get it. Here we go. It's coming. Yeah, in the net. Felt for the yellow pike shot again. Nice. Back in water. What a great day out, man. The sun is out. The pike is active. I'm so happy with this. Fuck, I'm shaking. A little bit of blood, but when the blood is on the hand, that means we are happy because we caught something. Right, so the plan now is to add 10 grams more. I tell you what, I will just go down there because there I caught my first PB 25 pounder, so we try to catch again.